Hey guys, it's Cody with American Pool and Spa. Today we're going to talk about the Jab 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 right hook special again for the month of July. This time we're going to be doing 10% off of Burnout 3, which is the shock that you normally use monthly or as a problem-solving shock in case you get an algae bloom or anything like that. The Silk Guard Complete Chlorinating tabs, the ones you keep in your skimmer and the floater, however you like to go about doing that. Chlorinator, help keep your water sanitized and looking good. Lastly, 10% off the Algae Complete, the all-rounder for algae protection and algae prevention. And on our online shop, linked down below, you can get fantastic deals on everything we carry from BioGuard to help take care of your pool. And if you live locally to us, you can get free local delivery within 48 hours, and you can have us add it to the pool for you if you specify in the request. And so during the month of July, you'll get 10% off the purchase of each of these items individually, or if you're picking all three of them up together, you'll get 10% off total. And so that is the Jab 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 right hook special for the month of July at American Pool and Spa.